Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Honda Fireblade. Also known as the CBR1000RR, it's an absolute belter. 2017 17 plate, this is a black special. So you get the different levers, you get the different brake discs from Galfer on there as well. You got the seat cowl, it's an absolute cracker is this. Really is nice. Honda Racing levers on there, it's lovely. Give you some facts and figures. 2017 17 plate, 4,671 miles. You got the tail tidy on there as well. Full display, you got your gear indicator. There we go. Absolute cracker is this, really is clean. Obviously, being a black special, it's definitely black. In order to get it purchased, it's dead easy. You pop down to Jordan Bikes, you give this black beauty a go. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.